Hi, I'm Eleonora Stacchiotti from Euromet, a company based in Italy, and I'm here to show you our new product here. It was invented because of educational needs, and so this is a stand that we can actually use in for every screen from Samsung, Sharp, and Windows, for example. And the biggest thing from this product is that it's completely, you can rotate it completely, weight from this side. Oops, yeah. And since we put the camera off the main structure, you can actually have it fixed while rotating the product. And then we also have a new solution for cable management, as you can see here. And you can put all the cables that you need for your devices in here in this design structure that we created. And then it's very stable. And yeah, this is 52, 70, oh, okay, it goes to 75 kilos, I guess, yeah. And that's it, yeah, welcome. Oh, and our website is euromet.com, and you can find these and the other products there. Thank you.